अरे who's the CMO here? CMO कोण आहे? CMO कोण आहे? Who's the CMO? Where is the CMO? All of you, where is the CMO? Where is he? Call him. Pass. तू CMO? तुका उलोवपाक सारखे रीत येना. आता प्रेसाचो एक मनीस आयिल्लो इंजेक्शन मागपाक. यू कॅनॉट गायड हिम प्रॉपरली. You learn to control your tongue. You're a doctor. Don't force me to act. I generally don't lose my cool. But you have to behave yourself. However much you're loaded, you will talk properly to the patient. And guide the patient. Urban health center and चल, हांगा चल म्हणून तू कित्याक रावला ना मागीर? कित्या खातीर जॉब घेता गव्हर्मेंटान? उलोवपाक रीत आसूंक जाय तुका. तूं डॉक्टर तूं. मास्क काड पयलीं, म्हाका तोंड पळोवंक जाय तुजें. सांबाळून एका सस्पेन्शन ऑर्डर काढा. You're a doctor to serve the poor people here. I am suspending you. When the inquiry is initiated, you give your explanation. Eka suspension, I want him relieved right now from here. भाषा हांव वापरता एकदम नरम. And ज्या म्हण I am telling you, you listen. Go home. Go home. You can go home. They let the residents and senior residents. You go home. Understand one thing. You're dealing with me. I am telling you, first learn to shut up when I'm talking to you. You can be anything. You want to file a case, go and file a case. But I am telling you, you're suspended from right now. And you go when the investigation starts, you give your explanation. That time I will consider whether I want to take you back on it. Other next 2 years, you'll be suspended and you'll remain as long as my tenure is. I'm suspending you from this moment. Go home before my blood pressure boils and I take some other action on you. You will not be in service from. You go from whatever. I also work from morning to night. I want you out from here.
But nobody came from.
Eka Vasuni, Eka issue instruction that I have said that he's being placed under suspension. Don't open your mouth when I'm talking. Send him right now and issue him a direction that he should not report. I'm suspending him right now.
Right, sir, आज विजिट केली जीएमसी.
विजिट केली. यो डॉक्टर विजिट केली. एक पेशंट्स बी आशिल्ले थोडे पळोवपाक आयिल्लो मुद्दम. आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें टायम टू टायम आमचे डॉक्टर्स बी सगळे बरें काम करतात. तांकां कितें खंय कितें कमी लागता जास्त वयर सकयल जाता तें पळोवपाक. आनी आयज लोकांचे कंप्लेन एक सीएमओ एक डॉक्टर रुद्रेशाची ताका सस्पेन्शनाची ऑर्डर हांवें दिल्या. असले डॉक्टर जे गरिबाची सेवा करूं शकना तांकां कांयच काम ना हांगा गव्हर्मेंट सर्विसान काम करपाक. आमी मंत्री म्हणून आमी काम करता पण हे असले परिस्थिती घडटा तेन्ना एक्शन घेवचें पडटा. आनी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे डॉक्टर एकदम बरें काम करता पण केन्ना केन्ना असले बी विचित्र प्राणी निर्माण जातात. ती करतलो कितें?